Morning, afternoon, evening, forever watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a very wonderful question. It says calculate the perimeter of a circle if its diameter is 14 centimeter. The perimeter of a circle is the distance around the circle, and this is the circumference of the circle. So the perimeter of a circle is the same thing as the circumference of the circle. For the first one, the diameter, that means from this point, any point at the circumference, passing through the middle to another point of the circumference is the diameter. So from here to here is 14 cm. So for the first one, we have that the circumference, the perimeter, which is the circumference, given the diameter, which is 14 centimeter. So our this is pi d. That's the formula. Pi d, where pi is 22 over 7. So from here, this is 22 over 7 times the diameter is 14 centimeter. So 7 here 1, 7 here 2. 22 times 2, that's 44 centimeter. 44 centimeters. So that's the perimeter of the circle with diameter 14 centimeter. Let's look at the second one. This is the first one. The second one, radius 4.9. That means from the center to any point in the circumference. That's the radius, half of the diameter. We're told is 4.9. So this becomes when you are given the radius, the circumference, the perimeter, which is the same thing as the circumference, is equals to 2 pi r. That's the circumference of the circle when you have the radius given. So this becomes, which is equals to 2 times 22 over 7 times 4.9 centimeter, 4.9 cm. So 7 here 1, 7 here will give us 0.7 times 2, that's 1.4, times 22, that will give us 30.8 centimeter. So 30.8 centimeter is the perimeter of the circle whose radius is 4.9 centimeter. I hope you follow through in today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling, put it in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to you. Till we meet again in the next class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.